Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am lip swatching all 12 of the Milani, Understatement lip liners. The one I have on my lips right now is the color 190 Sienna Style. But yeah, I will be swatching all 12 and trying them all on. And my lips are done for the day. But yeah, if you always wanted to know, how these lip liners are, then just keep on watching. Alright, that's the end of the video. Since we got the try-on portion done, I wanted to talk a little bit about these and my thoughts and opinions about them as a collection. And just in case you forgot what I'm talking about for some reason, it's the Milani Understatement lip liners. And yeah, so I want to say they have a very convenient container. As you can tell, they are really sleek, easy to store and everything, and That is what the tip looks like. It does wear down, but it's not a big deal. They're so creamy, so creamy. I love the container because it's retractable. They can go up and back down, and I have not had like before with ones that's in these kind of retractable liners. Some will go up and then they won't go back down, but these go up and down. And this like these are fairly new, so that's about how much product is in it. But I have tried it, I think this one on like twice. But yeah, and it goes all the way back down, and I have not had any that has broken or got stuck to the top. That's another thing that I really loved about these. They give a real even application. I think there was only, let's see, the darkest color is, I think this one, the 220 Bronzeberry color, the one I tried on very last. It was a little bit patchy. It wasn't so much the patchiness, it was more of it getting on my teeth, but with a dark color, you're gonna get that. I just did like the little putting your finger in your mouth and pulling it out, and I got that little bit off of my teeth, and it didn't go back on. And there was one more color, and I forgot which color it was. It was a little patchy. It was one of the neuter ones, but not bad at all, because these are all so creamy. Like all 12 has a very consistent thing. Some are a little bit more of a powdery, not powdery, more matte than, like 3 of them of the nude colors are more matter than the rest of them, but not much at all. Like these are pretty consistent all around on all the colors. So I really like that about these too. And I think it's a great color selection. They go with the palette, the Luster Light palette so well. But yeah, so these are the colors as you see them swatched on my arm or my hand. But yeah, you got your plums, you got your nudes, you got your browns, you got your mauves, all around a great color selection, I think. They are really true to color. There was a few that the box looked different than the actual container. Like there's colors on the actual box. But if you watch this video, you'll see more of what it looks like on my skin tone. And I actually put the color of the container to my lips on the try-on, so you can see there is slight differences of the true to color or whatever, the containers and the lips on some of them. Some of them are spot on. Most of them are spot on, but some of them are color differences. But of course, it's going to be color differences between like skin tones too. Like what looks really dark on me is not going to look, it's going to be like, this color could be a perfect nude for more tanner skin tones, but it's like kind of dark on me. But I still love it. And again, they're very beautiful colors. I really don't have anything bad to say about these lip liners. I love them, and I'm so glad I won Milani's giveaway, because the color selection at my local CVS, we don't have but I think 4 of these lip liners in our CVS. But yeah, go to Milani's website. I'm not sure if it's on the CVS website, more selection. But yeah, go on the websites. Like, I don't think Ulta has the Understatement lip liners. But go to Milani's website and order these, because they are way worth it. Milani's cruelty-free, so if you're looking for the perfect creamy lip liners like these, if they sound good to you, you should pick them up. I love them so much. And thank you, Milani, for doing that giveaway that I won, because I definitely needed more lip liners in my collection. My lip drawer was really bare, but now I have a great color selection. Thank you so much, Milani. And if you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, leave them in the comments below and I might do them. And I plan on doing the luxurious lip gloss try on next time. Maybe on my next video. If not my next video, the one after that. Here soon anyways. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.